Today I'll show you how to transfer money from your Apple Pay to Cash App. This is quick and easy, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your money. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Inside your wallet, you'll see your Apple Cash balance, which is the amount of money you currently have available to transfer. We'll transfer it to a bank account linked with Cash App. Here's how to get it set up. Tap on the Apple Cash card to open your balance details. Click on Transfer to Bank to start the process of moving funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Apple Cash. Now if your Cash App bank account isn't already set up, let's add it. Back in the Apple Cash card details, go to the bank account section. If you already have a bank linked, you'll need to remove it, as Apple Cash allows only one bank at a time. Tap Delete bank account information to clear it. Now tap on Add a bank account, open Cash App, go to the balance screen by tapping on the dollar icon. And here look for the account and routing numbers under account details. Copy the info into Apple Wallet and tap next to complete linking. It will appear as Suit on Bank. Now go back to the transfer screen, choose the amount you like to transfer, and you'll see two options. Instant transfer that will send the money instantly, but comes with a small fee, or free but it may take up to 3 business days to process. After selecting the transfer method, tap transfer in the top right corner and double click your side button to confirm the transfer. If your bank account is not verifying, double check that you entered the account and routing numbers correctly from Cash App.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.